Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a quick little last minute gift guide. Now, this gift guide will be for paper crafters, people who sew, sorry, that's really loud. My washer's going. People who crochet, knit, people who have a Cricut. Okay, this is not just for paper crafting. So this is going to be really quick. I'm posting this a day early than I usually post because I figured I don't want to post this on Christmas Eve. That's maybe a little too late for some people, even though my videos post at midnight. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, I know a lot of people don't do this anymore, but I used to do this, and that is plastic canvas. This is an eyeglass case I made for my son, and it's a Nintendo controller. This took me absolutely no time at all. Literally, it took me no time at all, and I don't even think I used a pattern. I don't remember. It was years ago. But this is just a piece of plastic canvas, and it's on both sides and then stitched together to make an eyeglass case. These go so absolutely quick. I've also made little Minecraft chests and stuff like that go really fast, and I believe there are a ton of patterns that you can find, and honestly, plastic canvas is so underrated. They can make the best projects, especially if you're making like a box. I made that Minecraft chest, and it stands up so nice because it's made with plastic canvas. Okay, I don't have any other options to show. I wanted to grab the Minecraft chest, but I'm going to tell you, I looked in my son's extremely messy room and could not find the lid. All I found was the base. And I didn't want to just bring down the base. Okay, if you knit, easy things to knit and quick are headbands. The little ear warmer headbands for winter for women or men. I don't care, whatever. This is a simple twist one. I will try to link what patterns I use down below for this kind of stuff. But honestly, I just recently knit a headband and it took me an hour. Very quick, very easy project if you, I can't even think, if you know how to knit. Next, if you know how to knit, would be hats. Now, you might think, oh, this is something so stupid, but I'm trying to find the other one. Here it is. This is a hat I knit for myself. I knit this, and I put two little buttons on it to give it some personalization. Now, my mom asked me to knit my grandmother a hat. She has a very small head. Look at the difference in the hat size. Now, this hat, this is the second one I made for her, and it does fit her perfect. So look at the difference in size. So if you have somebody with a very small head or very large head, a knit hat that would fit them perfect is the perfect gift. And if you knit fast, they don't take long. This, I think, took me a day off and on because I'm not the best knitter. My hands cramp. So my fingers actually cramp, not my hands. But knit hats, perfect gift. And they're quick and easy. If you crochet, you guys, one of my son's favorite gifts was this. It's a little dusty. It was on his dresser. Is this amigurumi bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich I made him last year. It's just an amigurumi pattern with an egg, cheese, and they're all just glued together with fabric glue so it stays. And then the top piece I left loose. So it's like his favorite breakfast sandwich every morning. When he has off, this is what he makes. And these are actually potato chips. He puts chips on his sandwich. So it's cheese, bacon, potato chips, egg, and bread. And he loved this gift. I made it for him for Valentine's Day, and he absolutely loved it. And it was so quick and easy. So if you can crochet and you do amigurumi, and if you're on KU, there are a ton of free amigurumi books on Kindle Unlimited. Just to let you know. Also, here in the same vein, this is a little burrito I made for my boyfriend. Here's the little aluminum foil package, the tortilla, lettuce, cheese, all kinds of stuff in here. So they're very quick, easy to work up. If you have a Cricut, very easy, quick things to make with your Cricut. And before you say, well, I don't have any of that stuff on hand, Michaels sells blanks. I know that, and so does Hobby Lobby. But I just used a tote bag and put this fun print on it. I've made these as gifts for a lot of people. I have blank tote bags in my stash and blank shirts in my stash at all times for last minute gifts. You just have to literally, let me get that out of there because the black screws with my camera. You just cut it out with your Cricut and iron it on. Another thing is, if you have a book reader, a bag, annotation kit. This is messy. This is my personal annotation kit, so it is very messy in here. But I have highlighters, I have page flags, post-it notes, I have clear post-it notes, and I used to have a pencil and a pen in here, but they disappeared. So a cute little bag. I used my Cricut to put annotation kit on it and filled it with a bunch of stuff that I need to annotate books when I'm reading. And I annotate, that's my dad, he's upstairs. I annotate only nonfiction books. So this little kit has been great, and you can just throw some page flags from Dollar Tree, pens, highlighters, and everything from Dollar Tree in a little bag. It doesn't have to be one that you make with your Cricut, but I made this easily with my Cricut. You can get a canvas or a cloth bag at Dollar Tree, and if you have a Cricut, you can put annotation kit right on it, or their name, or book nerd, or whatever you would want on it. Okay, also, I don't have any to show you, but if you sew pillowcases, little zipper pouches, lanyards, keychains, those are all super quick to make. Actually, this right here, my neighbor made this for me using a dish drying mat from Dollar Tree and a zipper, and she stuffed it with goodies from Dollar Tree, and this was my birthday present from my neighbor. Easy peasy. Look, it is a dish drying mat from Dollar Tree. Great option for a gift. I just made my son a pillowcase that I don't have here to show you, but that took me not even an hour to make that pillowcase. Great thing to sew. Okay, and then lastly, some things that you can make for people that are paper crafting. A altered composition book. This is what it looks like plain. This is what it looks like altered. This was my April journal. And they can have a nice little altered composition book. This fabric was from Michael's, but you can get fabric at Dollar Tree. And the trim was from Dollar Tree, so you can do all kinds of fun things and alter a composition book. Also, quick projects are these board books. I have videos making them. They are super quick. And this one here, you can actually add photos to. I have photo spots in here to add photos. This one is just for fun. But these go super fast. It could take you about an hour if you sit down and make one. Also, that would not take you long is a little mini album. This one I made very quickly. It goes very easy. You just need book rings and chipboard and paper. That's it. And you can decorate it, and it might take you maybe an hour or two to do, but very quick and easy. Same goes with a very easy gatefold mini album. Okay, these are also very easy. I have videos on all of this stuff that I will try to remember to link down below, but we all know I forget. So, there you go. Very quick, very, what else could you make? Oh, you can make other journals, not just this, but you can hand make a journal. You can make Christmas ornaments, that kind of stuff. Okay? Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you have very happy holidays and have a great rest of your day.